पातळीचे फेस्त आमी 2008 कॉमेस केल्ले भोमोरपा गांवांत भोमोरपा स्प्रिंग आनी तेन्ना and that time पातळी were in the house. Hindus used to do their homes, Catholics used to do their own homes. But today, years later, the Patoyos are out in the open. So it's wonderful that it's going in every village. So last year we had it in Karampuri, the year before it was in Merkai, and now it's become a traveling festival of Goa. So we were very happy that Rajendra Kherkar, eminent environmentalist and the principal of the Goa College of Agriculture, Mr. Kundoika, have announced that we are going to go for the GI tag for the Patoy. So very big news. So that has come from here. Many years ago, we started working on the Gumot for a GI tag. That will be happening. So today, Dr. Gwentin Nandish did a workshop on Patoy, and there's a great response. Many students from Carmel College, Home Science, they all participated today. So the news is great that the Patoyos are back. And the principal of the Goa College of Agriculture, Mr. Kundeka, not only gave a presentation, he gave the seeds for people to take home and grow. So Patoyos are back.
So on Bonera, what do you like to say?
Yeah,
Dr. Bonera is happening.
yeah, so Samathi's Bandera today is a historic day. It's been going on for centuries and it was always the same. This year Bandera has changed in Samathi's. We are starting at 11 in the morning till 10 at night. So now this is the longest Bandera in history. Before it was only a 5-6 hour affair, now it's 11 hours. And the morning session from 11 in the morning till about 5 o'clock is all educational and sharing of knowledge, as much knowledge as we can. And in the evening session is like anywhere in Goa, music, dance, but we are now concentrating that we have to share knowledge. If no, we cannot pass on the skill to the next generations of Goa. If you see here, there are Molla making, there's Rotasa making, there is so many new things happening. So the future of Bandera now is in sharing knowledge. So every year from now it will be 11 o'clock and might even be 10 o'clock next year because we got so much information to share. So today from here, after the workshop, we have Bandera Jayawan. Then there is something called JED Talks. The famous environmentalist, Dr. Rajendra Kherkar, is going to be talking about the Tiger Reserve. After the Bandera Jayawan, we are going for a 2-hour walk around the village for a paso. And there will be street plays, scale, and then we will be coming to the venue where there are 4 groups from the village performing with different songs. And then there are bands and there are singers. And so continuous day of sharing knowledge and showcasing Goa to the world.
So what's the difference between Olde Bonera and Dakte Bonera?
No, there is no such thing. Now those were the old days. These are 2 villages on one island. So this is Samathia's village with our own panchayat, separate. That's why we have to do our own festival. Diwar is Piwa Piada. So PYA do their own Bandera. So I don't know what time they start. I think they start in the evening, 4 o'clock. So when you think about the length of the program, and we are basically, we in the future are going to be on the quality of the program. So we are not interested in the quantity. The quality is most important. So we are starting 11 o'clock and you will see, there are so many young children are interested. So the future is in the quality of programs. No point having people in thousands if you're not going to give them knowledge to share. And our idea is we want quality people to come for the Bandera and give them knowledge. So this year, Goa College of Agriculture is here, Goa College Home Science here from Panjim, Carmel College is here. It's all about giving knowledge. The future, if we do not share knowledge, we cannot save Goa.
So one more thing, flag, this thing is happening.
Yeah,
What is
this is
this
the olden
exactly?
days. So the olden story was because of disputes between the people in the villages, the Portuguese came with an idea that to demarcate your field, Sheta. So with that, they should put flags all around the field to demarcate the flags. And now, centuries later, we have used that, modified and changed and called it the Bandera Fest. It's a festival of flags. But now we've passed all that. That is all history. Now the future is how to save our next generation.
So any message from your side for the students who are willing to be a performing artist?
Yes, so this is a platform for people to come. So lots of people throughout the day are coming from around Goa. One of the things is we have got our local band from the village. Children have been trained, so they're going to be performing today. Children. After that, we got the Malar Brass Band led by Aldin Menezes. So they are Aldan Menezes. They are from the village. So everything here, over 500 people in the villages have volunteered. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes one whole month of practices at night. So if you came to our village last whole week, all night till 10, 11 at night, parents, children, teenagers, fathers, mothers, all rehearsing and practicing and getting ready to showcase God to the world today in Samathias.
So this year
Also,
you've
bike
been
coding in here. I think Bailan Lala outside the club. Can we please have you move the bikes out of the way because we are barricading right now for the event later on. Rasta bikon ay dala ay ko eta bikes kon lale de please master tumi ka kare bikes.
so this year you've been part of Bonera with the Patoyeche Fest. How was your experience and how
So
excited you are?
this is my 50th year in Bandera. 1974 was the first time I ever saw Bandera in our village, 50 years ago. And from year 2000, I have been volunteering at this Bandera. So this is 25 years now of volunteering. So I have been doing fest. It is my 85th fest today. Patoyeche Fest is my 85th fest in Goa. So I'm very proud and happy that I've reached my village now. And it's been a great response, and I have to thank Samathiya Sports Club and his new president, Robin Crasto, Marion D'Souza, Joanne from our club, and Remy Almeida, all of them for asking me to be part of this fest.
Thank